You can always rely on Grandma for good old-fashioned comfort. This die is the classic comforting Go Grandmother's Fan block on board die. This highly requested block on board, or bob die, works perfectly with our other bobs, setting triangles, cubes, and companion sets of the same size. It's similar to our Dresden plate die. That die is a block configuration radiating in a circle with appliques of pointed and round fans. The Go Grandmother's Fan die, however, is typically shown in quarter blocks. The Go Grandmother's Fan die includes all the shapes you need, allowing you to quickly cut 3 4-color blocks in just one pass through either our Go or Go Big fabric cutters. With AccuQuilt's bob dies, your creativity will soar. 1/4-inch seam allowances and notches make this seemingly complex block a breeze to create. Download the free patterns from AccuQuilt.com so you can start using your Go Grandmother's Fan die as soon as it arrives. You can always count on Grandma to be there for you, and AccuQuilt is there for you too. Because at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time so you can quilt more.